What is kefir? Kefir is a super tasty and healthy drink made by fermenting milk with kefir grains, which are a mix of good bacteria and yeast. Unlike yogurt, which is thick and creamy, kefir is thinner and easier to drink, kind of like a smoothie or buttermilk. It has a tangy flavor thanks to the fermentation process, giving it a unique twist. What really makes kefir stand out is its probiotics. These are the good bacteria that help keep your gut and digestive system healthy. The kefir grains are packed with beneficial bacteria and yeasts that work together to ferment the milk and turn it into kefir. You can make kefir from cow, goat, or sheep milk, but if you prefer dairy-free options, it's just as tasty when made with coconut, almond, or soy milk. The fermentation process not only adds all those helpful probiotics, but it also breaks down some of the lactose in milk, making it easier for people who are lactose intolerant to enjoy. Drinking kefir has tons of benefits. The probiotics help balance your gut, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system. It's also packed with protein, calcium, and B vitamins, so it's a great way to get extra nutrients into your diet. You can drink kefir on its own, or get creative with it. Add it to smoothies, pour it over cereal, or use it in salad dressings or even baking. Its tangy flavor and smooth texture make it a super versatile ingredient for all kinds of recipes, whether you're looking for a refreshing drink or a healthy twist on your meals.